Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message has been brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development. More One Nation. Reporting live G20 Sentin 2025, talking all things G20 with my main man, talking career guidance, careers. Sir, what is your name and what is it that you do for a living?
It's Tumisane Zwane. I normally work at the finance department. I deal with finance in a broader prospect, not only local, international. Work with central banks all over the world.
Wow.
And also work with the local banks for us to see that the money is circulating very well in the whole world.
Okay. So, Umuti, you are working with central bank. Are you a bank teller? What is your what is it? What is your niche in the finance space?
I think from the community prospect, I believe that the community needs to be well educated, get mentors like us, so that they can have a challenge, an aspect. We had, sorry to mention, we had banks like VPS, African Bank. The experience of those companies have been liquidated previous years, but they have come back to the market. You know, not everybody's got expertise or challenges, but you need mentors for you to grow, and you need people who had retired, people who have experience in the banking field, who are going to explain a lot of things about banking.
Number one, say, I know in Zulu have a saying, it says, so before we go shouting out what we are doing here, our career expo and all the things that we're going to be doing in the future, can you just say one thing for me? Okay, wait.
Let me say one aspect so that everybody who's watching or hearing this interview, the only thing, young people start community banks.
Okay, what is that now?
Meaning that within the township corridors or rural areas, whereby we can create a banking model that is going to empower the people that are within the community, and so that the money can circulate within the economy, so that it can boost the GDP of the country, because we need the cash flow to circulate within the township, because township, they are making a lot of money through malls and everything, but it's not circulating. So community loan companies will currently benefit for the whole nation.
Okay, cool. So if I'm young and I want to start a community bank, where do I start?
One of the aspects is National Credit Act. You need to qualify for National Credit Act. From the National Credit Act, and then you go to what is called FISA, meaning that you need to go to a board of exam. You need to qualify that, and then also you have to have liquid. You need to have cash flow projections. Even if you can start with R1 million. And
then R1 million. Where does a young person get R1 million from the township? Because that's where the problem is.
Yeah, remember, there's quite a number of structures that people, they don't understand in the country. There are grants, there are financial institutions, there are government institutions, there are private lenders that can lend you money, as long as you create a feasibility study and you can create that, your analysis about the business, and then you can achieve a lot. And go out there, speak to people. Don't sit with a guy who's got who's driving a Maserati and say, I want to take a picture. Interview him, speak to him, borrow me money, help me, I'm a youngster, I want to be like you in future.
Hey, say, that's why shouting out what we are doing here, Sam. Career expert, digital expert. Can you just do something for me? Before you go, say, can you just say one thing for me? Can you just say, Career Corner?
Career Corner,
Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message has been brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development. More One Nation.